Hello, welcome back. Today we're going to get the rest of the chassis finished up so we can get the body done and then get this thing finished. So, first thing I'm going to do, this video will be 19 steps 19 through 25, but I'm going to swap some stuff around. On Lucas C's video of this section, he put in the filler tubes for the gas before he put in the back deck. I'm going to do the same thing. The way he talked about it makes sense to do the fuel line first. So I'll probably end up doing that before it's all said and done. But first, we're going to start with the radiator housing assembly. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get the housing part together, and then I'll put in the radiator, which I still haven't painted yet, and I haven't painted any of these pieces yet. So once I get together, I'll shoot with some paint, and then it'll be ready to go. So let's get started. Alright, as you can see, we're done with the chassis. It went together pretty well, other than the firewall part. But even after that, it turned out really well. I didn't think I was going to get it to sit level and everything going to work and all that. I didn't think it was going to happen, but it did. So, yeah, it was a pretty good build. So, next episode, we're going to be doing the body. We're going to get it painted. We're going to get it decaled. Put windows in. We'll finish this baby up. So, I will see you next time. Thank you all for watching. I very much appreciate it.